How to delete your entire Bumble account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Bumble from App Guide, and in today's video I will show you how you can permanently delete your Bumble account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, deleting a Bumble account is easy, but there are a few things that you need to note. If you're paying for a premium Bumble subscription, you'll need to cancel that subscription first. Otherwise, you'll keep being charged even though you don't have an account. So that's basically how it's going to work. If for whatever reason you can't access the app, there's no need for you to worry. Your profile and billing information is intact, and you can contact Bumble support team for help deleting your account. Now, what you can do is, in order to delete our entire Bumble account, you have to simply go ahead and then open up the Bumble app or tap on the profile icon in the bottom left corner. Once you go ahead and then do that, select the settings cog icon or the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. And as you've done that, on the next specific page, you have to scroll and look for the option called delete account. So just look for it until and unless you do not find this option labeled as delete account. The Bumble app will prompt you to confirm that you want to delete your account. So remember that once it's deleted, it cannot be recovered. So just type the word delete and press the confirm button, and as you do that, you would have successfully deleted your Bumble account. And that's all it takes to delete a Bumble account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, comment down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.